This video isn't financial advice, and Will is not your financial guru, so make sure to do your own due diligence. And now, let's begin.
Hello there, welcome to the channel. This is Will. I want to give you a quick update about my journey during this first month of the year. I also want to talk about Jonny Blockchain because this thing is absolutely blowing right now. As I showed you in my previous videos, these two automations are working extremely well. I'm talking about the DEX trading bot that is working with our MetaMask wallet and the Binance automation. I just got started with that one and the results are amazing. The cool thing right here is that nobody is locking my capital. I don't need to wait for a cycle to finish to take my capital back. I don't need to wait for withdrawals to hit my wallet. That type of risk is no longer my concern because thanks to Jonny Blockchain, I'm the only one who has control of my funds. The DeFi space is offering so many options to generate passive income. Almost every single day we have a new project. I tried so many opportunities in the last year and a half. I went to the miners, the stakers, the PAN accounts, a bunch of high yield platforms. Well, still I try some of those if I see the potential to make some quick profits. The reality is I'm still learning, I'm not an expert. I'm just a regular guy, just like you in the other side. I'm trying my best to make this crypto thing work for me. I believe this industry can help us to change our lives. It's actually changing mine right now. Something that I learned during this time is that we need to build some pillars of passive income. Something that can work for us on autopilot, something where we can minimize the risk. I'm talking about opportunities where we can wake up the next morning and we are sure we're going to find it there doing what it's supposed to do. Doesn't matter if we keep playing the high risk, high reward stuff, but still we are safe because our main pillar of passive income is going to keep producing on autopilot. I see Jonny Blockchain as one of my main pillars in this 2024. The reason why is because it's generating real results. They have real trading. We can see all of that happening inside the blockchain. All of that is connected to our MetaMask wallet or to our Binance account. We don't need to have any experience doing trading because this bot does all the heavy lifting for us. In my opinion, they have a good risk management. And if you see my account, and not only my account, but the accounts of any of the users right now, this bot is extremely profitable. I started a new bot 2 days ago, and only in the first day, I got a 59%. That is absolutely insane. But again, you can see that not only in my account, other users are having pretty much the same results. For some of you, it might look a little bit technical, but trust me, once you learn how to use it, it's going to be just super easy to navigate it. They have a user's guide with short videos that are super simple and easy to follow. The support is always on top of the game. These guys are always answering fast if you have any questions. There is a growing community that is always ready to help us. Now, if you compare this bot to other similar opportunities in the market, Jonny Blockchain not only delivers results, but it's also super affordable. We only pay 25 USDT per 1 year license, and we can use as many bots as we want. With other bots, they have super expensive monthly subscriptions, and in the end, the returns cannot even cover the cost of that subscription. I tried a bunch of similar automations. Many of those are not prepared to react to any type of condition. Just to give you an example, last year, I was using this bot. It was super complex. It took me a couple of months just to set it up, apparently set it up the right way, but in the end, it liquidated my account. Over 5K disappeared in 1 day. The problem with those bots is that the developers create it and they just let it run. They don't work in new updates. They are not doing proper testing. Here with Jonny Blockchain, we won't have that problem. First, the developers are working every single day in new updates. They have years of experience in this industry. We also have a real face behind all of this, the CEO. His name is Jeremy Rush. This guy is like, he never sleeps, he's always there answering questions. He's always keeping us informed about all that is happening. So that's why I'm so excited about Jonny Blockchain. The way it works is simple. This is real trading. Just like you are doing trading inside any liquidity pool of PancakeSwap. You're going to send your money there. After you get your profits, you're going to send it back to your wallet. That's exactly what they are doing. Of course, they have a very smart automation to do that. All of that is through a smart contract. That is if we are doing the DEX trading, but we also have the option to do trading inside Binance. I have a beginner's guide. I'm showing my settings, the coins that I'm using. I'm going to put it right here in the top corner. Also, if you need some help along the way, I'll be happy to help you. You can find the link to my Telegram group in the description of this video. Also, right here in the channel, you can find all my updates where I'm talking about these automations inside the DEX trader. These ones in blue are my automations using MetaMask. I have returns of 14%, 9%, 24%, 8%. This one has been doing really well, 43%, 28%. And these ones in white, those ones I have it with my Binance account. In only 2 days, I got a 52% in returns. This bot, UMA, I got a 59% in returns. If you want to see how I set it up with Binance, I'm also going to put that video right here in the top corner. Take a look, go there, let me know what you think. If you have any questions, you can leave those down below in the comment section. Again, you can find me also on my open Telegram group. The link is in the description of this video. If you are looking for a real opportunity to grow in this 2024, something that offers security, transparency, and profitability, I suggest you take a look at this project. If you found some value here, I will appreciate your likes, I will appreciate your comments. I also want to invite you to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications from this channel so you can see my future updates, you can see my progress and my earnings inside Jonny Blockchain. Thank you so much for sticking here until the end. I hope to see you in the next one. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. I'll see you around.